Hello, beautiful pumpkin eaters. Today, it's hump day, and we're going to make baked pumpkin dessert. You need to preheat your oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And grab yourself a casserole dish, because we're going to bake this in here. So after you preheated your oven, what we're going to do is we're going to put 3 eggs in a mixing bowl. Tell you what you need first. You need, from my magic book, you need 3 eggs, 1 can of pumpkin puree. That would be like a 796 milliliters or 15 ounces. A big can, 1.5 cups of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, a 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 whole can of evaporated milk. We're going to do the eggs. Now, I know it's not pumpkin season, but if you got pumpkin in your cupboard, it's been laying around, or you got some pumpkin puree in the freezer, maybe you have pumpkin puree, maybe you just feel like having pumpkin something. But this is really, really, really easy to make, and there's no flour in it, so it's primarily gluten-free, or it is gluten-free. So put your eggs away. And then you want to whisk up your eggs. Whip up your eggs. The next thing you want to do is actually, you want to put in this whole thing of pumpkin puree. Put in that whole can. Oh, Patches, are you bugging again? Are you my little pumpkin patch? I have my little pumpkin patch cat here, who, by the way, at 4:30 in the morning, I was awoken to her paw across my mouth. Like her furry little paw was touching my lips. And then I groggily moved her, and she did it again. And then I moved my head, and there's the other one, the other cat, Bola, by my head, like another pillow. So, they were pretty busy last night. You're being lovey. You're being lovey. She's like, human, get up, because I'm hungry and you need to feed me. Okay, so, put your can of pumpkin in. Add a whole can of evaporated milk. And I want you to whisk it around. You see better what we do. Yeah. You whisk this around. And the next thing you want to do. Oops. Okay, you want to add your brown sugar. That is 1.5 cups of packed brown sugar. This is very similar to, about right for a cup. Very similar to pumpkin pie filling. And so simple. There. Oops, making messes. Oh, that's so good. Give the old table a good wipe down. If something spills, you know. Alright, now, you got your 1.5 cups of brown sugar in the bowl. What time are we at here? 5? Oh yeah, we're almost at 6 minutes. Okay, so I don't want to do anything longer than 10 minutes. Now you need your 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I'm a little bit reckless with this. You know, not too particular. That's 2. Then you need a teaspoon of nutmeg. What would be like your favorite type of spice? I like cinnamon. I'm not a big fan of nutmeg. I mean, it's excellent with pumpkin. And then the next thing you need is a 1/2 teaspoon of ginger. I'm just gonna dive right in here and do a 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, let's throw a 1/2 teaspoon there. And then we need a little bit of salt. You put a half a teaspoon of salt to get this rolling. Alrighty, guess what? Just need to mix it around. Just give it a mix. Alright. Simple as that, everybody. Just mix it around. Take your casserole dish. I'll have to bring you around here. Your casserole dish. And all you gotta do is just pour it in. Yes, it's very easy. Easy. Give it a little bang. Knock the air out of it. I'll be back. Okay, so very quickly I forgot. You put the casserole dish in. 425 for 15 minutes, and then at 15 minutes you want to reduce your temperature to 350 and bake for another 30 to 35 minutes or until a knife that's inserted comes out clean. Yes, and I will be back once again with the pudding. Okay, I lied. Cook it for an hour. Okay, yeah, an hour. It's all ready. Yes, yes, it's for you, pumpkin eaters. Have some baked pumpkin pudding. It's delicious. I want to say goodbye. Bye.